Hi friends, a very good evening to all of you. This is Abhijit here. On your screen, you can clearly see the chart of Nifty here. So if you remember, last time we have been talking about the levels of 23,520. In our last video, we had discussed that level. So if you can see, Nifty has respected that level very nicely, and from this level today we have seen a high of 24,220, somewhere around that. Just have check it. The high for today is 24,226. So we have seen some 700 points rally from that level. So some, and you can clearly see we have kept the chart very clean. No complicated indicators, just few simple lines. We have always kept our analysis very simple. The line which you can see here, the blue line which you can see, this is the 200 SMA, and if you see, we had mentioned a level of 23,888. This was the level which we had mentioned in our commentary. So if you see, this was the level of 200 SMA, and we had clearly mentioned that a close above this level could be very good for the index, and exactly the same thing happened. So we sustained above that, and what followed was short covering. So right now the index is looking on a very good footing. If you see, we have formed sort of double bottom, not exactly double bottom. Double bottoms are normally around the same level. So we have formed sort of double bottom at 23,500 levels, or rather say 23,480 levels. Again, the crucial level was 23,888. So coming above 200 SMA was very important. Now, so the next important level that all of you can see here is this level, this one. So this is where the next most important level stands, which is 24,805. So we'll draw a separate line for this. So this will be the next most important level. Above this level, the index would look in great shape, and after that, in all probability, we could see new lifetime highs, which could be around 26,000. So again, now everything lies on 24,800 level. So now my advice to everybody at this point of time: avoid shorting on the index. Of course, you will see some intermittent pullbacks on the lower time frame, something somewhere like this hourly time frame, where we can see some resistance at this level. We can see some resistance at this level. You'll see intermittent pullbacks. So, and you could see some dips maybe somewhere till here, but those dips could be good buying opportunities. So make it very clear: if you have the dip, you can use the opportunity to get long on the index. So it's the today's move is very good and very clear. We'll also see the move on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, again, as we had mentioned, you can see the lines that we had drawn, and we had discussed 200 SMA, which was around 50,500, conquered very nicely. We saw a decent bounce from there, and then, as said, 51,000, 650, 660 levels. That's a big resistance. Now the next resistance it stands at somewhere around 52,000 or 52,100. This one, 52,000 level. This is a big resistance here, right? So we need to see how the index is now moving. Since both the indexes, they are now moving from 200 SMA, so which is considered as a good demand. So it's going to be good. The journey from here seems to be very good. Again, let's have a look at some of the stocks which can carry the index. So HDFC Bank, again, you can clearly see a brilliant structure, a very nice structure. So this and probably this has the highest weight on the index. So this can carry the index nicely. If you can see, it has closed and consolidated above this level of 1780, 1790. So new lifetime high for HDFC Bank cannot be ruled out again. Then we have ICICI Bank again. You can see the levels that we have marked time and again. I have written about ICICI Bank in our group. So you can clearly see this is making a good structure and it has found a very, very good support at this level. So very easily this seems to be ready for a fresh lifetime high. We can even see some decent breakout moves and this can even go on to something like 1380 or 1400 levels. So a good 10% move from this point cannot be negated. And the most important of them all, Bajaj Finance, today it saw a humongous move. This if you really want to understand how smart money buying looks, this is the candle, this is how it looks. And trust me guys, I have been in this market from a long time. If you ask me about Bajaj Finance, I have not seen a bigger wealth creator than this company, and I have full trust on this company. So if you are in every dip, every now and then it will give you a dip every few years. If it's giving you a dip, and here also you can see the importance of 200 SMA, but this time on the weekly chart. Can you see how nicely it has consolidated from there? So 200 SMA bounce is amazing on Bajaj Finance, looks very good. So again, if this starts to move and if this catches enough momentum, even 5 digits for Bajaj Finance is possible. Then you can see Bajaj Finserv again, similar structure. You can see already we have drawn a line here, and now this is kind of a breaking out, and this was the support line. You can see all the lines have been drawn previously itself. So these are some of the good structures, and so owing to these stocks, the index looks in quite a good shape, which can be the index looks in a good shape, which can take the index to higher levels. So just keep your eyes and be confident, nothing to worry about. One thing you need to understand, that Indian markets are poised to go higher, maybe not in the near term, but in the longer term. So my suggestion to all of you, don't panic, stay invested in good stocks, and then you can make good money in the longer term. So friends, that's it for today. If you like our analysis, do like our channel, do share with your friends, and do leave a comment in the comment section. That's it for today. Bye bye. Take care.